Bro, you're waiting for a long time.
At 10 a.m. in San Antonio, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 59. The dew point. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA weather radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, special build receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order.
Okay.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The station you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. The San Antonio NOAA Weather Radio roundup at 10 a.m. in San Antonio. It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 59, the dew point 38. Relative humidity was 45%. The wind blew up at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 26. And the
Okay. We're doing it for a whole hour and a half.